Hi, it's been a while. Welcome back to another one of my videos. Don't worry, I'm fine. I just wanted to see how I look in a mask on camera. Today I really didn't have much to do, but I decided to make a casual review on the cube I use a lot. The GAN's 11M Duo. GAN's? Or is it GAN? So let's get into the specs real quick. This cube is in 56mm in size and weighs 59 grams, which is crazy light for a 3x3. Crazy light, sorry for the crack. Unfortunately for collectors, this cube only comes in stickerless and not in black plastic. The shades of this cube look pretty slick in my opinion, and I have no trouble with visibility when it comes to solving on these shades. They look pretty damn good. So if you watch my unboxing video, this cube came with a couple of accessories, adjustment tools, pamphlets, a bag. So the packaging experience was pretty good actually. Getting on with the turning, this cube has a very unique, soft, crunchy feel, and it's slightly crispy. It's like if you took a Maylong M and then just made it 10 times more premium, you would get this cube. As for fluidity, this cube is extremely smooth and it feels very soft and very tactile. It's like if you took a Untitled V2M and mashed it with a G Evoque Elite, you would get something like this. Very stable like a Volk and very soft like a Untitled. Getting on with corner cutting, this cube falls a bit short at forward, cutting just about 45 degrees, and it doesn't really go that much further. Regarding reverse corner cutting, this cube is absolutely insane. It goes over line to line. Come on. It goes over line to line, which makes small cuts in this cube very effortless, and it feels very satisfying and very confidence inspiring, as Cameron would say. Regarding magnetic strength, it is a bit on the stronger side in my opinion, but with the core corner magnets, it feels like all the magnetic pull is drawn into the center rather than the outer layers. Once you find the correct setup for this cube, there really isn't much to say about it that it's bad. It's really good actually. There's nothing bad I can say about the 3x3, and I think it's a choice that a lot of people should go for. And the problem is, this cube is a bit expensive. Coming in at $39.95 at Speaky Shop as of now, this cube is a pretty hefty option for a lot of cubers, especially newer cubers who are just starting out. And I would obviously recommend the RSDM 2020 because that one is very good for everyone, especially beginners. But if you're already a GAN fanboy and want something very fun, well, this should suffice. And it's not as expensive as the GAN XS or GAN X, but it does suffice for GAN performance, and it does count as a very good 3x3 in GAN's collection of 3x3s. So all in all, it's a pretty good cube. It's pretty fast. I like it a lot. And if you're looking for a new GAN cube that won't break the bank too badly, and if you wanted to get the 11M Pro but you didn't want to spend so much money, then maybe this could suffice. Try for yourself, at your own risk. Unless of course you're sponsored. But seriously, if you can get over the fact that this cube is about $40, then and if you're able to buy it comfortably, then by all means, you're all set for the best of the best. That's about it really. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around with me until the end. And I hope this has made your day. And stay tuned. Goodbye and God bless. Oh my god, hi. Okay.